Well, welcome back, everybody. We're just epoxying this rod. I had to get off here and call my wife. My wife called. Want to know if I needed beer. I like my beer. Don't drink as much as I used to, but I like my beer. That was sweet of her asking me. But we're epoxying this rod, so I like to do, like I was telling you, I like to do a thin coat on my first coat. I like for that epoxy to soak in on that thread. And once it soaks in, man, it takes a grip on that rod. And I like to get in between. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm getting in between. And I like to do this and cover up all of the cracks that water can get in. Keep the water out from underneath that eye. Make your string last longer, make your eye last longer, and it won't rust on you. It's my way of doing it. You know, everybody's got their own way of doing it. Everybody does it different. This is just the way I've been doing it. And it's been working. Haven't lost an eye yet. Hadn't come off. And I just work it back and forth. You can do this at home. You don't have to take your rods to a rod shop to get them fixed. Much cheaper. You fix them yourself. It's not as hard as you think it is. Now, I like to close up the end right there because I don't want no water getting under that thread. That one looks pretty good. Let's move on to the next one. Got to watch where you grab the rod so you don't get a lot of epoxy on your hand. I've done that before. Grabbed the rod and reached down there not paying attention and grab a hold of that wet epoxy. Hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I appreciate y'all giving me your time. I'm fixing to cut this short and get out of here so y'all don't be skipping. But I use these little old cheap brushes. You buy them at a dollar store and they work really good. Then I do it on a small piece of aluminum foil. And I heat up the bottom of the aluminum foil and it takes all of the bubbles out of the epoxy. Well, I appreciate y'all tuning in and staying with me on this. I believe this is part 5. This will be the end. All I have to do is epoxy it, then this rod will be finished and can deliver it to the customer. Thank y'all so much for joining me on this little journey, and I love all of y'all. Please like and subscribe to Wayno's Rod House. And tell me what you like and what you don't like, and we'll see what we can do about it. Hey, until then, go fishing. Happy RVing. See you on the next one, everybody. Thank you so much.